What's up, guys? So I have good news. I got the iPollo back. I just got it in. I opened it up and I didn't look at it, but here we go. This is it. I got it back. It should be fixed and repaired. So this is it. The iPollo that I got from eBay that I only paid $250 plus tax. It was $270 was it like $275 or something, like $270. And then I had I tried to fix it because it had a low hash rate issue. It wouldn't go over like about 80 to 100 mega hash. It was running about that much. And so I got it back from the repair center, which cost me $15 to ship it out to the repair place because it was still under warranty. So the good thing about it is everything looks good. They put the sticker there and another sticker there, brand new stickers. So I got it all back. It looks clean. Okay, so I got it all back, and I paid only $285 for this about $670 mini ASIC that I got off of eBay that somebody was selling. I tried to repair it and I couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. I contacted iPollo and they told me it was still under warranty and I could just ship it right to the to the repair service center that they gave me the address to send it to and fill out a form. And I did that and I got it back. This is supposed to run at 300 megahertz. I mean mega hash. I'm not megahertz. Mega hash, right? So it's been running at about what do you call it? It was running at between 80 and 100 mega hash, and it would drop down. Sometimes it would go down to like 30 something. It wouldn't, it wasn't running at its full capacity. And I got it back, and it should be working. So I'm just gonna set it up and do a quick connect. I gotta put a power supply to it, and I'm gonna crank it up and set it all up and test it out. So I went upstairs, I configured it, everything works perfectly. So now because they changed whatever chip, the firmware went back to like version 0.78 or something like that. So I decided to just go ahead and update the firmware on it and then restart the whole thing again. But it's working perfectly. I'm happy. I got this miner for only $285 off eBay that wasn't working, and I'm happy with that. It was under warranty. So that's pretty much it, guys. So right now I set it up to mine what is it, Kaspa on what do you call it, on mineable. Okay, so basically it's mining what is it, Ethereum Classic and being converted to Kaspa on a mineable, which I got the other ones as well doing that. I got these guys over here, these 6 here. So now I got a total of 7 mini ASICs from iPollo. And that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on the next video. Peace out. I'm out.